Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So, guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. I have tried to provide you the best knowledge, whatever knowledge I have. As per my knowledge, I have given you that I made the career awareness series for you. In that series, you can see that how you can write down your resume, how you can prove yourself in an organization, what are the things you need to say in an HR interview, what are the things you don't need to say in an HR interview, what are the things you need to know when you are a part of an organization, and how you can increase your salary, how you can get the best knowledge from your organization, how you can will be your behavior approach in an organization. I've tried to provide you the best knowledge, and in my career awareness series I provided you the knowledge that how success speaks, because there are more than 30 plus candidates who have worked with us in very successfully, and right now they are working in another MNCs very successfully. And I took the interview of all of them, and they all of them have said the same thing, that PCS Global made us. So guys, in my today's session I'm not going to talk about any topic. Today I came up with to connect with you about our company details. So at first I would like to say that the PCS Global is a 10 years old company in the IT market. We are the company, the world's number one talent management company. And our first work is to hire candidates, train candidates, and deploy them in another companies also. We are working in government projects also, and we have our client projects. Our international projects are also going on. So, guys, if you're a candidate who is looking for the best job, who is looking, you are a job seeker, you are a fresher, you are looking for your good opportunity in your life, we are here to help you. Okay. And in PCS Global, we provide internships. That internship programs are called CELP projects. CELP in CELP project, we provide you the training for maximum 3 months to 9 months. In that training period, you can work with the projects, the live projects, whatever live projects are going on. You can work in government projects also. Our government projects is going on. That is called www.boptr.com. Okay. So you can work in that project also. And we have more than 1100 plus candidates who has been working with us in virtual mode. Some of them are working in virtual mode, some of them are working in uh, uh, physical mode also. Every weekend the working sessions are going on in our centers. Okay. We have two centers in Kolkata. The first one is located in Salt Lake sector 5. Okay. It's located in Primark Tower behind Rangde Basanti Dhawa. And our another center is located in Kasba. Okay. Near Kasba Shitala Mandir. So all those in both of the centers our working sessions are going on. You can go and you can visit our centers. And the most important and good news for you, that is, we are not restricted in Kolkata only. Right now we are in Bangalore, and this is the good news for Bengaluru people who are located in Bangalore. They are looking for PCS Global's office. We are located in Marathali. It's 91 Spring Road, Marathali, Mahadevpura. Okay. You can go there. This is our physical center. You can go there. You can communicate with us in that center. Our concerned persons will be there, and they will provide you free consultation about your career, about your life. So guys, if you're interested to make your career, I think this is the high time to go for the career options, and go for to visit our centers and get the best knowledge, whatever knowledge we have, because our expertise tech mentors provide the knowledge, and our counseling sessions are going on. This is a free consultation session. After having that free consultation session, if you feel that you wanted to start your career with us, we are always here to help you. So kindly visit our centers. Our free internship sessions, our paid internship sessions, our webinars sessions are also going on. We are providing the training in Salesforce. We are providing the training in Java full stack development, Monstack full stack development, and Java DevOps also. Okay, and another technologies as well. So if you are a candidate who has any backlog, and you are thinking like that, I have 5 years career gap and right now it's not for me to start over again, I can't do it, I need to look for another options. No guys, it's not like that. If you're interested in making your career, we are here to help. We are not in only Kolkata, we're in right now, we are in Bangalore also. So it's your duty to communicate with us, it's our duty to help you. At first, we need to understand the workflow of PCS Global. The workflow of PCS Global is like that. We recruit candidate for our CELP project. That is our hiring process. After that, we provide the training for 6 to 9 months. That is our internship training project. Okay. And after having the training, we deploy the candidates in our partner companies. And we have more than 7 to 8 companies who was working with us as a partner company. We are working in government projects also. So we deploy our candidates in that company, and from that company they got the chance to work in another MNCs also. Sometimes we give the opportunity to the candidate who works in our paid internship programs, we provide them to that opportunity to work with us directly. That means if you're a candidate who is working in paid internship program, you can work with us directly. And in our free internship projects, we provide the first knowledge, the prior knowledge of technologies. It can be any technology, whatever your code domain. As per your domain, you can get that first knowledge. If you are a novice candidate who don't even know about anything about coding, you can also join our free internship programs, because in that internship program, you get that knowledge that either you are able to do coding or not. Okay, so these programs are for you. We provide the grooming sessions also. Our HR sessions are also going on, so you can join all those things and get the best knowledge. Our soft skill sessions are also going on. If you wanted to learn about how to speak in English, you can communicate with me. Okay, and I will schedule your timing, and in that time I will talk with you, and you can do that thing that you can this is called an ice breaking session. You can get the way how to speak in English. Okay, so maybe sometimes it happens that you have that knowledge, but you are not fluent in English. For that reason, you are not getting any chance to work in any company, because in HR round, when you need to prove yourself as a presentable candidate, your fluency is not good, and in that part you got rejected from that interview. So guys, if you are facing all those things, we are here to help you. In PCS Global, being a brand ambassador of Nation Computer Solutions Global Private Limited, I am providing the training in soft skills. So if you're interested to learn English, to speak in English, and to make yourself fluent in English, you can communicate with me. Okay, so this is for now guys. Kindly communicate with me. I'm providing my number in the description box. Kindly call me and get the best knowledge and be a part of our journey. Kindly go through my career journey series. In that series, you can see how many candidates have worked with us, what they feel about PCS Global, what are the things we provide in the training session, and how right now they are working in another companies so proudly. And it's very proud moment for me to tell you that, because after having that interviews, when I get to know about my company, and I feel so proud that we are the company, the India's #1 company, who is providing the training, the candidates who have thought that there is nothing to do with my career and my career is totally finished. From that scratch, we started one more time, and we provide them the training and give them the opportunity to work in another MNCs. And right now, after having 1 year training, what they are doing, you can see in my career journey series. So kindly go through all the series and get the best knowledge. Okay, and if after seeing all those videos, if you feel that PCS Global is the right place for you, kindly communicate with me. I'm only one call away from you. So this is for now guys. Feel free to talk with me, feel free to build your career, and don't be a person, don't be that person who always behind the crowd. Always try to lead the crowd. Okay, and in PCS Global, we always provide the training how you can do that. So this is for now guys. Bye for now. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below. Have a very good day. Stay safe, be happy, and make others happy